Hello, today we will discuss problem number 2 in block diagram reduction technique. Given here is one block diagram with so many blocks for which we are supposed to find the closed loop transfer function CLTF, that is ratio between C of S divided by R of S. We have to apply rule one by one depending upon the block diagram that is given, and then you are to reduce this whole setup into a single block which relates the output to the input. That is what you are going to do now. Now suppose if you see to this block diagram, you think of all possible ways in which you can apply the rules. The first rule that you will try to apply is you move this branch point over here. Move this branch point before G3. That is the first rule that we will be applying. So if you apply that, then these two blocks will be connected in cascade. Then you will be having a feed forward path here. Then here you will be having a negative feedback path. So that is what you are going to do now. You are going to move this branch point before the block G3. Let's do that now. So I am moving the branch point. Earlier there was H1. Now we are to add the transfer function block here. So this is the first step that we are applying. Now if you see to this diagram, this whole thing will be your feed forward path. Feed forward path. Feed forward path. Feed forward path with the signs plus plus here. So we will be trying to cascade these together and then sum. So let's first obtain the multiply transfer function. This G3, G4. Now these two blocks are in feed forward path. So let us apply the reduction for feed forward path elements. That is G3, G4 plus G4, because the signs are plus. So this is how so far you have reduced the system. The next step that you can apply is you connect these two blocks that are in cascade. Now if you are reducing that, you will be getting H1, G3. H1, G3. Now the next step is this whole thing will be forming your negative feedback. So you will be applying G divided by 1 plus GH formula. So you will be getting G2 divided by G2 1 plus G2 H1 G3. Replace this whole block by this end. G2 divided by 1 plus G2 G3 H1. Now we are having 3 blocks in cascade. Now we can multiply all of these things. So let's do that. Here you will be getting G1, G2. Let me make the formula one more time. G2, G3 divided by H1. G1, G1, let's multiply. These two are again in cascade, we have to multiply. So G3 G4 plus G5. G3 G4 plus G5. Now this whole concept is negative feedback. So we will reduce that. You will obtain C of S divided by R of S. That finishes off this problem.